Hello everyone, welcome to the Prakashan Academy. Today we will be learning the topic which is for standard 7 unit 2.1 operations on numbers divisibility. Okay, so what is divisibility? Okay, a number is divisible by another number. A number is divisible by another number. If it is divided exactly, the remainder will be 0. Means what? If the number gets divided completely, okay, then the remainder will be what? 0. If the number that doesn't get completely divided, then the remainder will be other numbers like 1, 2, 1 point or something. Okay, now here is an example that 20 is divisible by 5. 20 is divisible by 5. So let's check if 20 is divisible by 5 or not. So just 20 and divisible by 5. So 5 and the 5. 5 fours are, you will get it as 20. So the remainder, now this is what? Remainder. Remainder. This is what? Remainder. Okay. Then now means what? The 20 is completely divided by 5. What remainder we got? We got the remainder as 0. What we got the remainder as? 0. Okay, means what? The number 20 is completely divisible by 5. Okay. Then next. Now these are some rules. These are some rules for the divisibility, and with the help of this rule you will find out the number that the number is divided by these numbers or not. Okay, so let's check the first rule, that is for 2. Now if there is given like a big number like 5, 4, 3, 2, 6, 2 like this. Now how will you know now this number is divided by 2 or not? By 2 or not? Just by applying this a simple rule. Now this is simple by rule by 2. If you want to check now this number is divisible by 2 or not, you will just take the number and the rule for it. That last digit is even. Now the last digit is even. Now this is rule for 2. That is last digit is even. Now the last digit is even, right? So yes, now this number is divisible by 2. Now same for the 3. If you want to check now this number is divisible by 3 or not, then what is the rule for it? Sum of digit is divisible by 3. Sum of digit. Now means what? You have to sum now this digit. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. Now you just have to sum this all digit. Okay, and you have to check whether the sum of digit is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so what is 5 plus 4? That is 9, and then 9 plus 3 you will get it as 12. Then 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 6 you will get 20. 20 plus 2 you will get it as answer as 22. Now the number 22 is the number 22 is divisible by 3 or not. Now you have to check. So if you divide this 22 by 3, you will get the answer 22 divided by 3, you will get the answer as 7.333 something. Okay, 7.333 something. So like this. So it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. Then same for 4. It is last 2 digit divisible by 4. Then you have to just take the last 2 digit. Then 5 last digit is 0 and 5. For 6 divisible by both 2 and 3. 8 last 3 digit divisible by 8. Last 3 digit is divisible by 8. The next sum of digit divisible by 9. For 10 last digit was 0. Then for 11 difference between sum of digit at odd and even places is 0 or divisible by 11. Then Next 12 divisible by both 3 and 4. So these are some rules by which you can check if the number is divisible by these numbers or not. Okay. Then if a number is divisible by x and y, now suppose there is a number which get divided by two number and we are assuming that two number as x and y, then it is divisible by LCM of x and y. What is meant by LCM? That is lowest common multiple. Okay, lowest common multiple of x and y. Then next, use digit tatter trick to complete missing digit to make number divisible. The next, pay attention to reminder and substitution in the operation based question. Okay. The next, now let's start solving with our MCQs. So first question, what is the first question? Which of the following number is divisible by 11? Is divisible by 11. Now what is the rule for 11? That is difference between the sum of digit at odd and even places is 0. Okay. So now what you have to do is, you have to, now first we will take this number, that is 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. Now how will you find out now even and odd digit? So starting with the odd, so this is odd, then even, odd, even, odd, like this. So you have to start from odd only. Okay, in every, like this you can find out easily that which one is odd and which one is even. Now you will just separate the odd ones, odd, 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 and now you have to plus these numbers, odd, odd and the number odd. Then if you will plus this number and then even number, these two, 9 plus 9. So now what you have to do, you have to plus this number, 9 plus 9 plus 9, you will get the number as 27, and 9 plus 9 you will get it as 18. And now you have to check the difference of this both. Now how will you check the difference? That you will just simply subtract. You will just simply subtract 27 minus 18. How will you get? What will you get? 27 minus 18, you will get the answer as 9. So the difference is not 0 and not divisible by 11. So this number is not divisible by 11. Okay, then next number. For the next number, so this is the next number, that is 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5. Okay, now starting with odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Okay, then now take all the odd numbers. Now taking all the odd numbers, first, second, third, means what? 4 plus 5 plus 5, you will get it as 14. Then next all the even numbers, that is 5, this is even, this is even. Okay, so 5 plus 4 plus 5, you will get it as 14. Okay, so now you have to find the difference. So 14 minus 14, you will get it as 0. Means what? This number is divisible by 11. This number is divisible by 11. So what will be your correct option? That is option number B, 11. Okay, B, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5. This will be your correct option, that this number is divisible by 11. Okay, then next, what is the smallest digit that can replace in the place of star in this number? So it is divisible by 3. Now what is the formula? Now what is the formula for 3? That sum of all digits should be divisible by 3. Okay, so now we will put the 1 and we will check. We will check the sum of all these terms is divisible by 3 or not. So 8 plus 4, you will get at 12, and 12 plus 2, that is 14, 14 plus 1, 15, and 15 plus 5, you will get it as 20. You will get it as 20. Now check whether the 20 is divided by 3 or not. 20 is divided by 3, so what is the answer? No. Then let's put the next number, that is 2. That is 2. So 8, 4, 2, the next number which is 2 and 5. So now 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, that is 14. 14 plus 2, you will get it as 16. And 16 plus 5, you will get it as 21. 21. Now check whether the 21 is divided by 3 or not. You have to just check the 21 is divided by 3 or not. So yes, 21 is divided by 3, you will get it as 7. 3 sevens are 21. So which will be your correct option? That is 2. If you will put 2 in the stars place here, so that the number will be divisible by 3. Okay. Then next, now which of the following has a remainder 0 when divided by 9? When divided by 9. Now how will you check the number is divided by 9 or not? Then you have to just look at there. Now sum of digit is divisible by 3, divisible by 9. So you have to sum all the digits. So first we will take this. That is 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4. Now you have to just check. So 5 plus 6, you will get it as 11. Okay. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 8, 19 plus 2, you will get it as 21, and plus 4, you will get it as 25. You will get it as 25. So check whether the 25 is divided by or 9 or not. So 25 is not divided by 9. 25 is not divided by 9. So this is not the number. This is not the answer we want. Then next, 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. Now what is the answer here? The 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. If you will add this all, you will get the answer as 30. Just check whether the 30 is divided by 9 or not. So it is not. Then next number, 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4. Okay. So 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4. You will get it as 14. Whether the 14 is divided by 9? So no. Then next number, that is 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. Now 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. The answer will be 18. Answer will be 18. Now just check 18 is divisible by 9 or not. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18. Yes, it is divisible. Yes, it is divisible. And we get the remainder as 0. Okay. Now just check 18, 9. 9 2 is 18, 0, 0. What is the remainder? That is 0. What does it mean? The correct option will be option number D. That is 7 4 4 3. Then next. Now these are the numbers. 2 5 4 5 1 6 is divisible by which number? Now you have to check whether by which number it is divisible. Okay, by which number it is divisible. So starting with the 2. Starting with the 2. So what the rule of the 2 says that the last digit must be even. Now this last digit is even, right? Last digit is even, and if you will divide 2 5 4 5 1 6, the remainder you will get as 0. The remainder you will get it as 0. Let's check once. Okay. 2 5 4 5 1 6. So 2 ones are 2, 0. 5 will be down. 2 twos are 4. So you will get 1. Then this 4 will be here. 2 sevens are 14, 0, 0. 5 will be down. Then 2 twos are 4, 1. Then this 1 will be down. 2 fives are 10. Remainder 1. Then this 16, 6 will be down and it will get 16. 2 8 is a 16. And then the answer you will get it as Okay, like this. Like this. Okay, the answer, the remainder, in remainder you will get it as 0 0. What does it mean? Option number B, 2 is the correct option, that this number is divisible by 2. Okay, then next, which number is divisible by 11? Which number is divisible by 11? Now what is the rule for checking the number is divisible by 11 or not? That the even and odd, you have to sum of the even numbers and sum of the odd numbers, and then you have to take the difference of it. If the difference of it is 0, then the number is divisible by 11. So starting the first number, that is 4 3 5 7 9. 4 3 5 7 9. So odd even odd. Okay, then next, now take the all odds separate and take all the even number separate. Now 4 plus 5, that is 9. 9 plus 9, you will get it as 18. Then 7 plus 3, you will get it as 10. If you will minus these both numbers, then the remainder will be 8. The remainder will be 8. So this is not the option. Why? Because we want 0. The next number, 3 8 9 2 4 7. So odd even odd even. Now taking first, that is 3 plus 9 plus 4, and all the even, 8 plus 2 plus 7. Okay, now you have to add this number. If you will add this all the numbers, then you will get it as 3 plus 9 plus 4, you will get it as 16, and then 8 plus 2 plus 7, you will get it as 17. And if you will minus these terms, the remainder will be 1. Okay, so this is not also the option. So in the same way, you have to do next one, that is 2 7 5 4 1. Odd even odd. So 2 5 1. Okay, and then 7 and 4. Now here 5 6 7 8, and here 7 plus 4, you will get 11. If you will minus this, you will not get the 0. Then next term, that is 9 5 8 7 6. Odd even odd. So take out the separate odd. Okay, and then evens. Okay, now just check what is the number. Okay, so 9 plus 8 plus 6, you will get it as 23. But if you will take 5 plus 7, you will get it as 12. Now just make difference, 23 minus 12, then you will get it as 1, and then here also 1. Now here the remainder is not 0 but is divisible by 11, right? So which will be your correct option? That is option number D. Okay, then next, which number is divisible by 11? Now you have to apply the same formula for this also, and you will get the number as this one. Okay, let's take this, 6 7 1 8 8. Now odd even odd. Now taking the odd ones separate, 1 plus 8, and then 7 plus 8. Now you have to, what you have to do, you have to add. You have to just add. Now 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8, you will get it as 15, and 7 plus 8 again, you will same 15. If you do 15 minus 15, you will get the remainder as 0 0. This means what? This number is divisible. Okay, our next question is, when 50 is divided by 6, remainder is 2. When 50 is divided by 6, the remainder we get, that is 2. What number should be added to 50 to make it divisible by 2? Now, what here? It means that when you will divide the number 50 by 6, the remainder will be 2. So which number you will add to make it divisible by 6? Okay, so first thing, if you will add 4, then it will give you the 6. Now 6 is divisible by 6, right? 6 is divisible by 6. So it is very simple. Now here the option, that is 2 plus 2. If you were taking the remainder and you are taking this number, that is 2 plus 2. So now what will you get here? It will be 4. So 6 is not divisible by 4. Then next number, that is what? 1. If you will take 6 plus 2 plus 1, which is remainder, and this one, you will get the answer as 3. So 3 is also not divisible by 6. In the same way, if you will take 6, 2 plus 6, it will be 8. So 8 is also not divisible by 6. So, and when you will take 4, you will get it as 6. Now 6 is divisible by 6. Okay, so therefore option 4 is your answer. Or else just write down the table of 6. That is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are whatever the table it is. Okay, the table of 6, that is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, up to 10. Up to 10. If you will write it, then just check whether there is a number 50 or not, or the bigger number to the 50. Why? Because we want to add some digit to make it divisible. So when you will add, when you will notice that 6 table, 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 are 24, up to 6 9s are 54 and 6 10s are 60. If you will check here, then you will get the number, it is 54 on the 9. So which number you will add to this 50? Which number you will add to 50? That will be 4. So 50 plus 4, you will get it as 54, and when you will divide this 54 by 6, so 6 9s are 54, and now the number is completely divisible. Okay, like this. So option A, that is 4, will be your correct option. Then next, if 6 5 8, if 6 5 8, look, if 6 5 8 and there is star is divisible by 11, which digit should be placed instead of star? Which digit should be placed instead of star? Now, what is the rule to check whether it is divisible by 11 or not? Is just you have to take the numbers, even and odd numbers. Now this is your 8. So we will take 6 5 8, and first we will take the last number as 0. Then again we will check with the number 9. Again we will check it as with the number 3, and again we will check with number 6. Okay, so what is the rule for checking whether the number is divisible by 11 or not? You have to just make all the digit even and odd. Odd even means you have to just separate, and you have to add the odd digit and the even digit, and you have to check whether the difference of the even and odd terms is 0 or is divisible by 11 or not. So first, so here 8 plus 6 and 5 plus 0. Okay, the next number that you will get 6 plus 8 and 5 plus 9. The next 6 plus 8 and 5 plus 3. The next 6 plus 8 and 5 plus 6. Okay, now you have to add this all number. What is 6 plus 8? What is 6 plus 8? That is 14. And 5 plus 0, it will be 5. Again 6 plus 8 14. 6 plus 8 14. 6 plus 8 14. Okay, then 5 plus 9, you will get it as 14. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 6, you will get it as 11. Okay, 11. 11. Okay. Now here you have to just check whether the difference of these two terms is 0 or is divisible by 1. 11, sorry. Then if you will do 14 minus 5. If you will minus 5 from the 14, you will get the answer as 9. So 9 is not divisible by 11. Then the next term, if you will take this 14 and another 14, then you will get the answer it as 0. Okay. The next term, 14 minus 8. If you will minus 8 from the 14, you will get the answer as 6, which is not divisible by 11. Then next, 14 minus 11. If you will minus this, you will get the answer as 3. Okay, which is not divisible by 11. So which will be your correct option? That is this number. That is this number. Which is the number we added at the last? That is 9. Okay, so your correct option will be option number B, which is 9. Okay. Then next. Now, if 9331 is divisible by 9, Now, what we know that this number is divisible by 9. Then, what replaces this star in this number? Okay, means what we have to find out the last number. Now, what is the rule for checking whether the number is divisible by 9 or not? That is sum of digit divisible by 9. Means what? We have to sum the digit and check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. Okay. So, starting with this. 9331. So, taking 2 as a last number. Then we will take the 3 as a last number. Then we will take the 4 as a last number. Then we will take the 0 as a last number. Okay. Okay. Now we will check. Now what we have to do? You just have to 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. So 9 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. If you will plus this, you will get a 18. And again 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So if you will add this term, then you will get it as 19. Then again 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then 20. Then you have to add this last number, that is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Now which term is divisible by 9 here? Which term is divisible by 9 here? That is 18. That is 18. Means what? If you will add 2 in the last, the number will be divisible by 9. Okay. So option A will be your answer. Option A will be your answer. Then next, if 5842 is divisible by 2, what should be last digit? What should be last digit? Now is divisible by 12. Is divisible by 12. Now what is the rule for the checking if the number is divisible by 12 or not? Is divisible by both 3 and 4. And what is the rule for 3? That sum of digit is divisible by 3 and last 2 digit divisible by 4. Okay. So let's check. Now here, what is the rule for 3? That sum of digit should be divisible by 3. Sum of digit should be divisible by 3. And what is the rule for the 4? That is last 2 digit. Last 2 digit should be divisible by 4. So this is the rule for checking if the number is divisible by 3 and 4. Okay. So let's start. And when the number will be divisible by this both the two numbers, then it will be divisible by 12. Okay. So next, that is, so taking the number as 5, 8, 4, 2. So let's add the last number as a 1. Okay. Now here, if you will sum this digit, now we will check these two conditions. Okay. So if you will sum all these digits, that is 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2, you will plus 1, you will get the answer as 20. Okay, the answer will be 20. The 20, now here last two digit, which means 21 is divisible by 4 or not. So 21 is not divisible by 4. Then if you will take the sum, that is 20. That is 20. So 20 is divisible by 3. So no. So for option 1 will be your wrong answer, as the both condition are not filled. Okay. The next number, that is 8. So 5, 8, 4, 2, 8. Now let's check the addition. 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8. Now if you will add this all the numbers, you will get the answer as 27. Now you have to check whether the 27 is divisible by 3 or not. So if you divide the 27 by 3, you will get the answer as 9. Means what? This condition is satisfied. The next, last two digit should be divisible by 4. So this is the last two digit, that is 28. So is 28 divisible by 4? Then yes. By 4 sevens it is 28. 4 sevens it is 28. So now both the condition are satisfied. Which means what? The answer will be option number B. That option number B. Now what is the rule? For 12 says that the number should be divisible by 3 also and 4 also. Okay. So the condition of 3 and 4 must be satisfied. So you will get the answer, that is divided by 12. Okay. And next, which number is divisible by 6? Which number is divisible by 6? Now what is the rule? What is the rule for checking if the number is divisible by 6 or not? That is divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3. And what is the number? 2 says that last digit should be even. And what does the rule for 3 says? That sum of digit is divisible by 3. Okay. Then now, which number is divisible by 6? What we have to check here now? The number should divisible by 2 also and by 3 also. Okay, by 2 also and by 3 also. So now, taking the first number for checking whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So 5, 3, 4, 2. Now how will you check this number is divisible by 2 or not? That the last digit should be even. So here the last digit is even. Now how will you check this number is divisible by 3 or not? Then you have to add this number, means 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. Means 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. If you will add this all number, you will get the answer as 13. You will get the answer as 14. Okay. If you will add these all numbers, then your answer will be 14. Now 14 and 3. Now you can't divide 14 by 3. Okay. So it is not divisible by 3. So first option will be cancelled. The next option, that is 2, 5, 3, 6. And now here is also even number, means what? The first condition will be satisfied. Then second, what you have to check, that whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, 3 or not. Then let's check. 5 plus 2, it will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so here the answer will be what? 16. Now check whether you can divide 16 by 3. So you will get the answer in the point, okay? 16 and 3. So 3 5s are, you will get it as 50. 1 is remaining. Means what? You can't divide 16 by 3. Means what? This condition is also not satisfied. The second condition is also not satisfied. So this is your wrong option. Now option number C, that is 5, 6, 5, 8. 5, 6, 5, 8. Now 5, 6, 5, 8. 5, 6, 5, 8. Now in this you have to check now whether this follows the condition, whether these two numbers satisfied with the both this condition, that is it should be divisible by 2 and it should be divisible by 3. So just check now. What is the condition for 2? That is last number should be even. So here the last number is even, and now if you will add this number 5 plus 6, that is 11. 11 plus 5, it will be 16, and 16 plus 8, 16, what is 16 plus 8? Then you will get it as 24. You will get it as 24. Now you have to check whether the 24 is divisible by 3 or not. So 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are, you will get as 24. So what is the answer? Means what? 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. Means what? It is satisfied the condition. Means it is getting divided by 3 also and by 2 also. So which is the correct option here? That will be option number C. That is 5, 6, 5, 8. Okay. So this was the MCQs for today. And this is your homework. And this is your homework. Okay. Just take screenshot of this homework. Alright. So that was all for the today's lecture. Thank you.